chronic pain. Do you or anyone you know suffer from chronic pain? There are 100 million people in the United States that suffer from chronic pain. That's 1 out of 10 individuals. I happen to be one of the 10. It's also the biggest reason for long-term disability. My name is Rachel Huveld, and I'm the founder of BioLight Therapy at Prunedale Chiropractic, where we provide light therapy for individuals that suffer from pain. I recently had a woman come to me with low back pain of 1-year duration. Her physician had given her ibuprofen as well as codeine, which did not work, and she told her that she needed to learn to live with pain. She came to me because she was going abroad, was concerned about the flight, as well as all the activity that was planned for her on her arrival. A month after she came back, we had a conversation. She told me the trip had gone very well. She experienced no pain while she was there, and at the moment, the pain had not returned. If you would like to learn more about light therapy, please visit our website at www.biolighththerapy.net. Also, please feel free to call me to discuss any issues you might have with pain and how light therapy might be able to help you. I think you'd be surprised. Thank you.